Good afternoon. A little bit earlier today. It's about noon o'clock, and it is a rainy, cloudy day in Zagreb. Currently it's not raining, but it did rain a little bit ago and it's supposed to rain again. But I'm gonna see if I can make it to a restaurant that I picked out before it does start to rain again. Here's hoping. I have my rain jacket, so if it does start raining, I am prepared. And I just picked a restaurant from the internet, and hopefully that does me good. I just had lunch. It was great and super cheap. 80 kuna, which is about $11. That was the total with the tip. I didn't tip, it would have been like less than $10 for like that whole lasagna and drink. Perfect. I love Croatia prices. However, it is raining. I don't know if you can tell. And I'm heading to a tunnel that's well known here. Hopefully it's open. And hopefully it's actually a tunnel that's covered to get me out of the rain, because the museum that I wanted to go to today has actually been closed for like a year and a half because of an earthquake that had happened, so I can't go in. So if this is not open, then I might just have to call it an inside day and go back to the hotel. And the market that I was talking about yesterday is actually open right now. I'll show. Out of the tunnel. It's like half a mile long. It's actually really cool to connect two parts of the city. And now I'm climbing a hill, following some road signs to some tourist things that I haven't seen yet. It's still raining, but I've decided let's not waste the day. I do love the rain when I'm inside, you know, like read a nice book. There's also something about traveling when it's raining as well. Alright, it's probably like an hour later. It stopped raining, but the internet says it's supposed to start raining again soon. I saw a lot of tourist things on my walk. It was great. The city is very beautiful and I love it. However, I'm heading back to my hotel now just for the afternoon because I feel like I've seen all the outside of stuff that I can see. I made it back to my hotel room just in time. It started pouring again, and some of it got through my jacket, as you can see. However, the maid was working on, or house cleaning was working on my room, so I had to sit in the lobby for a little bit, which is fine by me. And now I'm just gonna rest for a little bit in the afternoon before probably going out again for dinner. Hopefully it's not pouring at that time. It is a few hours later and the sun has come out. The clouds are gone. I was cloudy one moment, sunny the next. I'm heading out for dinner. I'm hoping that it's an inexpensive Croatian restaurant, which is what the internet says it is. so I can have some Croatian food for the first time. Just finished dinner and I stopped by McDonald's to get dessert, but I just had an authentic Croatian food dish. I'm gonna put it on the bottom because I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's zapečeni štrukli. It was great. I got the apple cinnamon and it was pretty much dessert for dinner. I don't know how to explain this, but it's like a light, fluffy, amazing dessert lasagna. It was great. But I'm finishing the night with some ice cream and then I'm now walking back to my hotel.